To get the most out of Business Central, companies need fast, reliable reporting and analytics, available on demand. When companies rely on manual processes, they become bogged down by delays and inaccuracies or struggle to navigate Business Central's complex table structures. OmniAnalytics delivers a turnkey, next-gen analytics and reporting environment purpose-built for Business Central, complete with a library of pre-built reports and dashboards that can have you up and running with enterprise-grade analytics in just days. OmniAnalytics combines our extensive business intelligence expertise with the latest technology from Microsoft to ensure you have the mission-critical data you need today and unlimited scalability for the future. OmniAnalytics starts with dozens of reports ready to go in Power BI, making sure you have end-to-end visibility across your organization from day one. Build new reports or customize existing ones thanks to our user-friendly data models. Connect every facet of your value chain, allowing you to track margins and compare sales, procurement, and inventory metrics with ease. See your data the way it's meant to be, without silos or limitations. Talk to Omnidata today to learn how.